Hey YouTube, it's Mr. Shadow 1969. I'm coming to you from Royal Caribbean's Serenade of the Seas. Check this out. We're up on deck 12. This is the jogging track. We're going forward on the starboard side. See what we can see. It's a beautiful day here. This is in the Grand Cayman. Off to the starboard side, we are in port with the Celebrity Beyond. Wonder if Captain Kate and Bug Naked are on board. We can only hope. Ooh, a little breezy up here at the bow. This is Grand Cayman. Alright, we're headed towards the aft of the ship here on the port side. We'll take a peek here into the Lido Deck on the pool deck. There's another view of the pool deck. Alright, we're on the starboard side of the ship, headed towards the aft. A kids splash area called Adventure Beach. They actually have a water slide here. It's a small water slide, but still fun. And yes, adults can go on it too. Up ahead is Izumi. It's kind of strange that the axis is on the outside of the ship, but at least they have one. They have Izumi here. Alright, this is the aft. It's the back end of the ship. We're not moving, so you don't get that awesome wake view that everyone loves. But still, that incredible blue water. It's amazing to see. It's really unfair because where I live, the ocean is brown. That's no fun at all. Everywhere else in the world, it's a beautiful blue color. Except where I live. A mid-Atlantic state in the United States called Maryland. Brown water. Alright. Let's head upstairs. What's upstairs? Let me show you. Alright. We'll go up here, past the loud music, and see. Oh yeah. Here we go. You can walk the dog. Well, maybe you can't, but she can. Look at this. Mini golf. Got miniature golf here. On the aft end of the Serenade of the Seas. It's a beautiful day. Yeah. Everyone's in port. We'll take advantage of that by doing a video right now while the ship is quiet. And I can show you this without everybody here. It's one thing I do like. Hang out on the ship while we're in port. It's like the whole ship is yours. It's great. If you're on a ship that has like water slides or bumper cars, there's no line while you're in port. I don't see why more people don't take advantage of this. Yeah. Alright. On our right side, you can see the water slide. Like I said, it's closed right now, but there's the beginning of the water slide. Yeah, go from up here, zoom, 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 to down there. Yeah, it's fun. Lots of fun. And up ahead, rock climbing wall. Yep. Rock climb. Up there on a stack. Awesome. I apologize for the wind noise. I really can't control the wind. It does make a lot of noise here on the microphone. Alright, let's head back down to the jogging track. Down to deck 11. Here we are. Back on deck 11. Alright. Oh, more wind noise. More wind. But I do appreciate the breeze. The breeze is very nice. Here. Whew. Here we are back to the pool area. Take a quick look here. You can see hot tubs. The main pool. Of course, a bar. Never too far away from your favorite beverage. And here's me, in case you forgot what I look like. We'll head down to the Lido Deck next. All right. Let's head to the back of the ship here. Oh, I'm sorry, this is the front. All right. What's in here? This is the Solarium. Solarium is an adults-only section of the ship. They have their own pool. And of course, hot tubs, and a bar too. It's a very nice solarium here. Oh, ahead there is the spa, the hair salon. Seems to be a little closed at the moment, so we'll skip that one. All right. Let's head upstairs to the fitness center. I know a lot of people don't believe it, but cruise ships actually have a gym. You can work off all those extra calories. Here it is. Fitness center on board the Serenade of the Seas. Very nice. You can work off all those extra calories. Order 2 desserts. You deserve it. Go ahead, do it. Yeah. Have a healthy day. Let's head back outside. Here we are on deck 13, like a sun deck. Great views from up here. Also quite breezy. Once again, I apologize for the wind noise. And we'll end the tour here. This is me, Mr. Shadow 1969, on Royal Caribbean Serenade of the Seas. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If so, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. I appreciate that too. Hopefully I get to see you on board soon. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.